So in my hand is a clock, and suppose if you want to change the time, for example the time now is 10:15, and suppose I want to change the time to 2:30. So for doing this you must turn the back side, and the back side you can see okay this switch, and if we can rotate it in this direction, so you can simply rotate, so you can see that the time is changing here. If you rotate like this, then you can see that the time have been changed here. So you can rotate in either clockwise or counterclockwise directions. So I'm going to rotate in this direction now, and so you can see that while I'm rotating, the time I've been changing here. So I'm going to rotate, and so you can see that the time I've been changing. So you can adjust the time from here like this. So you can rotate and set the time you want. Okay. Okay. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with the Engineers Online. Thank you.